Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making some Jamaican stew peas with pig's tail. Now let's cook. Guys, here we have our red kidney beans, and in that we have garlic and pimento seed. I went ahead and I soaked it overnight just so that it can cook easily. So now here we have our pig's tail, and I'm just going to cook that for 15 to 20 minutes just to get rid of the saltiness from it. There you have it. I'm just going to cover it and leave it to boil for 15 minutes. Okay, so now that it's been cooking for 15 minutes, I'm just going to wash it under cold running water. Then I'm going to add it to the peas. And guys, you can also add other meats to it, whether it be chicken feet or beef, whatever you guys like, you can add to it. Okay guys, now I'm just going to stir it and cover it, and I'm going to leave it to cook for about an hour and a half to 2 hours until the peas are tender. Okay, now guys, we're almost there, just halfway there. Okay, so I'm about to season it, and I'm using Grace coconut milk. I'll also be using black pepper, a Maggi bouillon cube, scallion, thyme, pepper, scotch bonnet. This is the best pepper to use because it gives off this flavor, but I didn't have scotch bonnet pepper. I had Thai chili, and that's what I use. You can go ahead and use whatever pepper you guys have. So guys, now I'm adding my spinners, and this is what's going to thicken the stew. Just give it a beautiful thickness. And just look how rich this stew is. Just beautiful, guys. Okay, and occasionally you want to just go ahead and stir it just so that nothing gets stuck to the bottom. So now on low heat, you're going to cover it and leave it to simmer until it's thickened. And here you have it, guys, our finished product. I do hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.